Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, June the 20th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. Three puzzles are left, the binary puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, the Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku. Number, this will be number 8758. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits as usual. And it's an indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. All right. We have here 2 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4 threes. All right. 2 fours. 1, 2 fives. 1, 2 sixes. 2 sevens. 3 sevens. 3 eights, and 2 nines. So the ones and the threes are in majority. Can I start with the 1? That's the question. 1. Need a 1 here. Yes, 1. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. On that column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the row below, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1. Need a 1 there. Cannot continue with a 1 now. How about the 3s? 3 in this column, last column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 place level for 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Alright. Okay, now I cannot continue with 3. Now I need to wait. No. New 3 there. How about the 8 in this row? 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left, the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 1, 1. Okay. How about the 8 in this column? 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Need a 9 here. Need a 6 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in this box. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Okay. 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column 3. Now only 2 places left, and 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. From that row, the only 3 places left, and 8 should be here, here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 in the first column, no 8 there. The only place left, and 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. How about the 3? 3, 3, no. How about the 1? No. Still, I cannot continue. with the 1 and the 3s. Need a 5 there. Oh, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. 9, 9. Need a 5 there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column 3. The only place left the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this big square. I believe the 9. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column 3. The only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. So the 9 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. These 3 missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7. Cannot fill this yet. Alright, and now 9, 9, 9, 9. Yeah. In this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this row. No 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so the first column. The only place left for the 6 should be there. I need a 6 here. And I need a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in the last row, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright, 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 1 should be there. 1 in the 9, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes and there. 9, 9. Well, I need the 9 there, I believe. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Here or there. You see another 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9, 9. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Let me mark those. Need a 4 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place left for 4, A should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be here. 4 and 7, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for 4 should be here. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place left of 4 should be here. So the other two numbers should be the 2 and the 7. 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Can I count? And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes. The number, digit number 4, number 4. Then 7. Well, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this second column is number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left is 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row. Only place left is 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We have 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 in the row above, no 7 there. The only place left is 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, same numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row, so the row between. The only place left with 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row, so the row between. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, same numbers, the 1, the 2. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. I cannot believe this. 12 minutes. Ay, 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 ay. 4 stars. Well. Nope. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars again. Yeah, faster than 14, 13 minutes. Well. Publisher. Give us some hard ones. Yeah, the hard ones. Too easy to solve, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.